about that, but is there any feedback at all from the riders about what it was like?
Well, in general, nobody's been out yet. Nobody's allowed to go out because there's trucks putting water on the track.
Oh, it's still happening, sorry.
Today, yeah. So the Yamaha guys, they had another scary day today. Siren, he was going really well.
In 13th place, just ahead of Bradley Smith. Elijah Spargrove 15th. Happy Siren acquitting himself brilliantly on that Tech 3 Yamaha. He was 16th. A tumble late on this evening though for the Malaysian. Thankfully he was perfectly okay. Carol Abraham, the Czech rider.